Asking the Bar Association to stand up for what is right and against what is wrong, Chief Justice N.V. Ramana on Friday urged the lawyers to protect the judiciary from motivated and targeted attacks. Speaking at the Constitution Day celebration organized by the Supreme Court Bar Association, CJI Ramana said that the most important feature of the Indian Constitution is the fact that it provides a framework for debate. Stating that the lawyers and judges are a part of one large family, the CJI said, "I want to tell all of you that you must assess judges and the institution. We are all ultimately part of one large family. Protect the institution from motivated and targeted attacks. Do not shy away from standing up for what is right and against what is wrong." Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that the Indian Constitution is the cohesive force behind the diverse country. He was speaking in the Parliament on the occasion of Constitution Day on Friday. He said, "Our Constitution binds our diverse country. It was drafted after many hindrances and united the princely states in the country." He added, "Constitution Day should have been celebrated each year after 1950 to educate all about what went into the making of the Constitution, but some people did not do so. This day should also be celebrated to evaluate whether what we do is right or not." He said, "Party for the family, by the family. Do I need to say more? If a party is run by one family for many generations, then it is good for a healthy democracy." Delhi government on Friday announced its decision to include the Kartarpur Sahib in Pakistan in the CM's free pilgrimage scheme for the senior citizens of Delhi. As per the Delhi government's announcement, the first batch of the devotees will leave on January 5 in a Dulux bus from Delhi to Kartarpur. Earlier on Wednesday, Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal announced that the first train for Ayodhya under the free pilgrimage scheme would depart from Delhi on December 3rd, and the registrations for the same have started. Senior BJP leader and Union Minister Narayan Rane has said that Maharashtra will see a change in the guard and predicted that the Saffron Party will return to power. He said that BJP is the single largest party in the Legislative Assembly, will return to power in March next year. Rane told reporters in Jaipur, as early as possible by March, the BJP will come to power in Maharashtra. Rane, however, said that things should be kept secret to trigger the collapse of the government. When asked how he can be so sure that BJP will return to power, Rane said, "There are certain things that I cannot reveal. If a government is to be removed or a new one is to be formed, then few things should be kept secret." India cannot forget the wounds of the Mumbai terror attacks. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said on Friday, on the 13th anniversary of the dastardly strike, even as a senior diplomat of Pakistani High Commission was summoned to convey the Islamabad must ensure expeditious trial in the case. In a note, verbal handed over to the diplomat, the Ministry of the External Affairs also asked Pakistan to abide by its commitment to not allow territories under its control for terrorism against India. In a video message released by MEA on 26/11 attacks anniversary, PM Modi, paying homage to the victims, said, "Today's India is combating terrorism with a new policy and new ways."